Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kharazmi and we are live from Arc Restaurant Bar and Lounge at the Fairmont Waterfront. Today I will be presenting two uniquely handcrafted cocktails for the Courvoisier Toast du Paris Bartenders Competition. So what was unique about this particular spectacle is that it was the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. With the fire of the French Revolution still burning, Emmanuel Courvoisier and Louis Galliot decided to take on the feat of creating Courvoisier and launching it. To commemorate this milestone, I present to you the Fleur de Lis. Now, the Fleur de Lis is a globally recognized French symbol. It has a lot of history behind it, and it is the name of my aperitif style drink. And here we are, the Fleur de Lis. So I'm going to start by using 1 ounce of Courvoisier VSOP cognac. Just going to go ahead and add that right in there. Moving on, we're going to use creme de cacao, which is a chocolate liqueur. 1/2 ounce of this. Right in. Now we're going to use freshly squeezed grapefruit as our citrus element. We'll go 3/4 ounce of that. Here I have some fresh honey from the Fairmont Waterfront rooftop beehive garden. We're going to go ahead and throw that right in. Awesome. And over here we have egg whites, pasteurized egg whites. We're going to dump this in. And here we have some lavender bitters. I'm going to give it 2 dashes like so. Perfect. Just going to fill this up with ice. And here we have a smoker filled with some apple hickory. Just like so. I'm going to trap some of the smoke inside the drink. Perfect. Go ahead and give that a nice little shake. Just like so. Looks beautiful. Just going to grab my coupe right here. Strain the rest of it into the coupe. And last but not least, I'm going to take some local Vancouver chocolate bitters. We're going to take the stencil that we made. And just like so, we're going to give it that little fleur de lis on top. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, fleur de lis. Cheers. So now for our second cocktail, we're going to pay tribute to the Parisian nightlife. And by doing that, we're going to pay tribute to one of the most influential political figures in French history, Marquis de Lafayette. And he was known for writing the Declaration for the Rights of Men. So here we go. So I'm going to take my Courvoisier VSOP. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 ounces. Just like so. Perfect. Throw that right in there. Next, we're going to add 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Give it that sweet factor. Right in there. 2 dashes of peach bitters. And 2 dashes of traditional Angostura bitters. Awesome. So we're going to go ahead and ice up our glass here. And we're going to give it a nice stir. Let's say we're going to stir it for about 15 to 20 seconds here. Just going to go and make sure that's a consistent stir. We're going to get that drink ice cold. Just like so. Perfect. And right here, we have a piece of rosemary that we've collected from the rooftop garden here at the Fairmont Waterfront. And in this spray bottle, I have some Knob Creek bourbon, small batch. I'm gonna go ahead and spray that right in there. Layer the inside of the glass, layer the rosemary, just like so. Awesome. And I'm gonna go ahead and set this bad boy on fire. What we're doing is just releasing some of the flavors of the rosemary, the bourbon. Just gonna let that burn off for a minute. you can see that smoke coming off, that means that we've done a good job. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, Marquis de Lafayette. Cheers. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you again, and my name is Robert Kharazmi from Arc Bar and Restaurant at the Fairmont Waterfront. And once again, the Fleur de Lis and Marquis de Lafayette cocktails for the Toasted Perry 2017 Courvoisier cocktail competition. Thank you so much, and santé mes amis. Cheers.